Welcome to the third and final lesson of how to navigate an Excel sheet using shortcuts. In the last two lessons, we have learned how to use the arrow keys and how to use the Shift and Control buttons in conjunction with the arrow keys. In this lesson, we are going to learn a few more shortcuts that will make our navigation in Excel really easy. The first two shortcuts we will learn are page down and page up. Page down allows you to scroll one page of the Excel sheet at a time. For example, right now you can see from row 1 all the way down to row 27. If you press page down, you can now see row 28 all the way down to row 54. Another page down and you can now see row 55 to row 81, and so on. Page up does the exact opposite. The next shortcut we will learn is Control Space and Shift Space. Pressing Control plus Space allows you to select an entire column. If I select this cell and then press Control Space, I can select the entire column in which the cell was located. Similarly, if I select a cell and press Shift Space, I can select the whole row in which the cell was located. Interesting to note that if I have multiple cells selected and then I press Control Space, I can select the entire column of all of the cells in that range. The last shortcut for navigation within the Excel sheet is Control Home. Control Home navigates to the Home cell. The Home cell is the top left cell, which is cell A1. If you press Control Home from anywhere in the sheet, your active cell will go directly to cell A1. So far, all the shortcuts that we have learned are useful for navigating within an Excel sheet. However, there are some shortcuts which will help you go from one Excel sheet to another. If you press Control page down, you can go from sheet 1 to sheet 2. Press Control page down again, you can go from sheet 2 to sheet 3. And Control page up does the exact opposite. Control page up once takes you from sheet 3 to sheet 2 and then from sheet 2 to sheet 1. Remember that while using any of these shortcuts, you have to press and hold the Control button down before pressing the space bar or the page up page down buttons and so on. If you release the Control button, then these shortcuts will not work. That concludes the lesson on using shortcuts to navigate the Excel spreadsheet. Tune in to the next lesson for a quick summary of what we have learned and for some exercises to solidify your learning. Thank you.